Jackson Buboltz, owner at Elevated Insurance here in Waukesha. I want to provide the best client service that you've ever gotten from an insurance person before, and I need your help. To understand how I can best serve you, I'm asking people, what are things that an insurance person has done before that has led you to refer them business? And what are things that, if an insurance person did provide, you consider switching your coverage over to them? Now, what's in it for you? Everyone wants to feel good. Everyone wants to feel like their time is well spent. Please watch the rest of this 3-minute video. If you do make a post on what has been good with an insurance experience or what you would like to have, I will donate one book in your name to Nextdoor, which I'll talk about in a minute. Guys, I'm a student of the game and I want to be the best at my job. So to do that, I really look to understand what is happening in the market. And here's what I found. Most people's expectations of an insurance person is really, really, really low. I've heard when it comes to insurance, I just want to be sure I'm covered. I want to make sure that if something happens, that I'm going to get the money back that I need to replace my car, my home, or whatever it might be. And don't make my rates go up. I mean, it's going to happen, but what I've found is when people see the rates jump more than 15%, that's when they really start to think about, is my insurance person actually providing anything besides a policy? My goal is to provide the best service possible for money that you're already spending. So I've done a little research that I'll share with you. Again, if you share something that you really like from your current insurance person or something you wish you could get from an insurance person, I will donate one kid's book to a kid who doesn't have books in their house. At Elevated Insurance, we insure good people. And these are folks that say, hey, if I got to spend this money, I want it to be going toward an organization that's doing good for the community. So community involvement is the core of what we do here at Elevated Insurance. So far this year, we've put in 75 hours and donated over 500 books, working with organizations that are helping strengthen our community. The second thing I found that's really important to people when choosing who to work with in insurance is coverage and price. You gotta have the right coverage on your assets. You also have to have pricing that's in line, and the service in the back end needs to be so good that it actually makes your claim experience better. When Elevated Insurance began, we partnered with Erie Insurance and Progressive to be sure we could provide world-class coverage, service on your account, and also pricing. The third is a referral program. We provide our insureds an awesome opportunity to try something they normally wouldn't by working with local businesses. Insureds who provide us referrals earn free certificates to go try experiences, spa packages, restaurants that maybe they wouldn't if they were paying out of pocket. At the end of the day, I'm paying for market research. I want to understand what's important to you. Does Elevated Insurance have it? Are there things here that are worth looking into? Is this the right local agency to insure us? Or are there things that we can add to make the client experience even better or worth looking into? Again, take a couple minutes, make a comment below, things you like, things you don't like, what we can do better as an organization. And we're going to donate books to kids who need them through the Nextdoor organization in Milwaukee. Thanks for spending a few minutes. Again, my name is Jackson Buboltz, owner at Elevated Insurance in Waukesha, Wisconsin. Insure differently. Cheers.